Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to set Waze for motorcycle mode in 2026. If you ride a motorcycle, changing your vehicle type can help Waze provide routes that are better suited for your ride. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Tap the menu icon, then select Settings. Look for the navigation or vehicle type settings. Find the vehicle type option and select motorcycle. Once selected, Waze can use motorcycle-specific routing where the feature is available in your area. After choosing motorcycle, go back to the main map and enter your destination. Tap Go, and Waze will calculate your route using the selected vehicle type. Before riding, review the route and follow actual road signs and traffic rules. Remember that motorcycle routing and availability can vary depending on your location and Waze version. And that's how to set Waze for motorcycle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.